आवाज पण रेकॉर्ड होईल ना. So today we are going to see practical number 8, creating interstate purchases and sales. Sorry, intrastate purchase and sale. Do you know what is meant by interstate? Interstate means whenever we are going to do our business in our own states, so that business is called as interstate uh, trade or business, means purchase and sales taken place in the same state. Okay, so let us see how it can be done. First we have to create the ledgers, such as, before creating the ledger, you may confirm with whether your company is GST enabled or not. Okay, so as our company Akshay Traders is, we have enabled it GST. So let us take the ledger creation process. First, go to the account information, go to the ledgers. Here I have already created the ledgers, so let us see. Okay, we may create new one. ABC Technologies, ABC Technologies. Okay, so the party is our sundry creditors, because we are purchasing some goods from them. Maintain bill by bill, yes. Checks for, then inventory value affected, TDS deductible, no. Andhra Pradesh, set alter GST, put here the GST number, set alter GST, yes. Regular, no. Enter, accept. Okay, here ABC Technologies ledger we have created. Next ledger will be purchase local. I have created it, not, yes, purchase local. See here, purchase local. Once again, how it can be created I am showing to you in alteration menu. Alter command, purchase local, enter. Under purchase accounts, type of ledger not applicable. Is GST applicable? Yes. Set alter GST detail, yes. Go to the GST details for purchase local ledger. Purchase taxable, nature of transaction, purchase taxable 18%. Go to the goods, select good, set alter VAT or VAT not applicable, TDS applicable, undefined, not applicable, under yes. Okay, so purchase local ledger also we have created here. Then next move to the next ledger, central tax, CGST. Here it is CGST we have created so far. Under duties and taxes, list of group, duties and taxes, GST, central tax 9%, not applicable. accept. Okay, then state GST. State GST, select. Under it will comes in the group duties and taxes, GST. Under union territory, here state tax is not enable. Here some technical problem is with tally, so we are taking here union territory tax as 9%, accept. So state GST also we have created. Then go to the atom ledger, into inventory information to create stock atom. Whether it is created or not, let us see. Yes, computers, enter. Under primary, units number, GST applicable, yes. Set alter GST detail, yes. 18%. Goods, not applicable, VAT. Okay, so computer here also we have created the ledger for the atom. Then next step is to recording the interstate purchase voucher. So escape from this menu, go to the gateway of tally main menu and transaction, accounting vouchers. F9 to purchase. See here, F9 menu to purchase, or simply press F9. F9. After pressing F9, you have to press under Alter I. Okay. Supplier voucher number, purchase, whatever the number is, you may put here the number. ABC Technologies, purchase 400 or 500, whatever. Date 1st April. Party's name ABC Technologies. Okay. Particulars. Sorry. Enter purchase ledger under interstate purchase local. Select purchase local, name of atom, computers, quantity. We are going to purchase here 10 PC. Okay, so enter here 10 PCs, 10 numbers, rate 20,000 per PC. Amount will be 2 lakh. Then central GST 9%, state GST 9%. Total will be 2,30,000. Enter e-way bill. So in this way we are created here interstate purchase ledger. Okay, so let us create interstate sales transaction. How it can be created? So come out of it, accept it, escape. Do not quit from tally. Again we are working with same company. Now we are going to record the transaction of interstate sales. For that purpose, create ledgers such as Rajesh and Company. Ledgers create Rajesh and Company, who is sundry debtors, enter Andhra Pradesh, GST number of Rajesh and Company, set alter GST, yes, enter, 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 enter. Then next ledger, sales at 18%. Ledger name is sales at 18%. At 18%, it is under sales account. Type of ledger not applicable. GST applicable, yes. Set alter GST, yes. Not applicable. Nature of transaction, taxability, taxable. Rate here comes as 18%. 18%. Goods, so here next ledger will be output CGST, CGST, enter, sorry, C output CGST at 9%. Sales account not, which is come in duties and taxes. Duties and taxes as central tax, CST. Percentage of calculation 9%. Accept. Then output SGST. Next ledger, output SGST at 9%. Duties and taxes others 9%. Enter. Here all the ledgers have been created so far, so let us enter the voucher. Go to the gateway of Tally, in transaction accounting voucher, sales, F8, or simply press the sales. Okay, reference number sales Rajesh 500, whatever the name, party's name Rajesh and company, enter. Sales ledger, sales as 18%, sales at 18% you have to select. Name of atom, so we have to create here Sony laptop or simply Sony. Quantity, we are going to purchase here 4 numbers of Sony laptop. Rate 55,000. per laptop. It will cost 2,20,000. Then central GST 9%. It will 19,800 00. State GST, sorry. Here output CGST we have to take 19,800 100. Then output sales. Okay, so total bill will be here 2,59,600. and you are able to see here. Enter. Accept. Yes. So here we have created the practical number 8 recording of interstate purchases and sales in Tally GST. Okay. Yes.